One of the biggest tricks to increasing your authority on YouTube is increasing your watch time. So I made a whole video last week on how to create a bingeable YouTube channel, and I'm gonna put the link to that in the description below. But one of my little secrets is in the end screens and how I use end screens. So I told you exactly what I do. Now I'm actually gonna show you in this video how to create your own Ninja end screen for your channel, for each video, so that you can use this to your advantage to increase your watch time and increase your authority. Hit that thumbs up, you know what to do, if you are excited to dive into this, and we'll get rolling. So the first thing you need to know is that when it comes to end screens, you only have 20 seconds. 20 seconds max for your end screen, so you really got to utilize this time in the right way. Again, last week's video is going to show you exactly what it looks like. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create it, add it into your video, and also upload it and use it on YouTube and put in all of the clickable links. So let's get into it right now.
So what we're going to do is, if you go into the back end of any of your videos, there's actually a little area where you can click on and it'll take you to end screens. So you can do this way, or if you're just getting started and you want to create your first end screen, there's another way to do it as well, which is basically going to any channel. If you like their end screen, just copy it. So what I mean by that is, what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to screenshot this whole area, and I'm going to use this as the template to build my end screen template off of in Canva, which is what we're going to use next. And it's a free account. No need to pay for anything. It's super easy to do. So we're going to show you that in a second. But what you want to pay attention to here is this whole area with the blue lines on it. You can't go outside of that. This is where the end screens are going to live. The clickable end screens that you're going to put on top of the video. So you can't go outside of it, which is why it's important to have that inside of your template on Canva. So now we're going to go here into Canva, free account, custom dimensions. We're going to make it 1920 by 1080. We're going to create the design, and we are going to upload that screenshot that we just took. So you just simply drag and drop it, and it goes into uploads right down here. And I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to fit it to this block. So we're going to go like that. I'm going to extend it slightly outside just so that we make sure it fits perfectly. And there we go. So we have our safe zone here. Get everything we need. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make the background a different color, because let's say you don't want to use yellow and you want to make it look more like your own. We're going to go here and we're going to go into the square right here. We're going to make this pink, let's say. And we're going to extend this all the way across. You can even go outside, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to make this transparent so you still have the guide of where the elements are. So we're going to do that first. Then the next step is to add your blocks for where your actual videos are going to go. So we're basically going to go here, and I'm just going to match this up, make sure that this matches the width, and then I'm going to go up here, match it as best as I can, and make sure it's still within those parameters. So we're going to even bring it in slightly. There we go, it's still within the parameters. Then we're going to just copy that, and we're going to do the same thing for each of these blocks. I'm going to bring it in slightly. So there you go, they're all in there. And then you can just make sure, again, that's perfect. And I'm going to make this white just in case it doesn't like fit perfectly over top. Then at least it's not like a crazy color underneath, and it's a color that I still like. So we're going to make this block white as well. And then we just need to grab a circle, and that's going to be white too. And this is going to be where my subscribe button is. So that should be good. So that's where my subscribe button is going to go. Fits inside the parameters. You can see it's in the blue box, which is perfect. And then we're going to add the subscribe option here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab text, and I'm going to grab a heading, and I'm going to say subscribe, all caps. And this is totally where you can get creative and do it however you want to do it. So I'm going to make this text whatever I want it to be. And then this text is going to be in handwriting. So I'm going to say watch more. So we'll go here. We can make this as big or as small as we want it to be. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So 48. Let's go 64. So that can go there. And then we're going to add arrows. We're going to go into elements. I'm going to search for arrows. And we're going to grab or arrow. Let's do arrow. It's probably easier. So let's do this guy, and we're going to make this smaller. And this one's going to go here. And I'm going to make this black as well. So that's going to go like that. It's going to point to the video. We're going to make this black. We're going to copy it, paste it, and then rotate it again using these little arrows at the bottom. Oh. We can actually flip this too. And we'll grab this and rotate it again. But there you go. I just made my own end screen template in no time. And then the final element of this is you basically take this background color, you make it fully opaque, and there you go. There's your end screen template. And you're going to just download it as a ping, and it's going to download to your desktop. Then what you're going to do is you're going to upload it to your videos. And then you can add in all your elements over top. So let's do that. So now all you have to do is you take that downloaded image and you add it into your editing software, whether that's iMovie or it's Final Cut or it's Adobe, whatever you're using, you're just going to add it in. And you're going to basically add it as a layer on top of the video and use the video to shrink it down and put it into that one particular part of the end screen. And that's how you add it into your actual video content. And then the next step is adding the clickable elements inside of YouTube, and then you're done.
And finally, I'm going to show you exactly how to add those clickable links, videos, subscribe button onto your end screen.
Now you're going to add your elements onto your actual end screen because now it's actually in your video. So when you're in YouTube, like I showed you before, you can find this a couple of different ways. You can go into your video metadata, and once it's uploaded as unlisted, and you just go into where it says end screens, which is just, oh, I think I passed it. Right here. It's just here on the side. You're going to click that and it'll open up this editor option. You also can go into the editor inside of YouTube and find it from there, but this is the easiest way that I find to do it. So what you want to do is you want to add elements to it. So that one's when it was actually set up. So you can see this video's in the actual video. All of these elements, so the circular one is my subscribe clickable link, video that you can click on, another video you can click on. So these three things you can actually click on. That's what we're adding in here. So we're going to go over here, we're going to basically redo this. So the elements that I'm going to add in is I'm going to add in a video. So you can do best for viewer and allow YouTube to select it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one that I know I want to add in. So we're going to do, let's do content creators must watch. So create element, and it's going to add that in there. Perfect. So it's now perfectly situated right there. The next thing I'm going to add is the subscribe option. So that's going to be my little circular one, which I'm going to move right here. There we go. And then I'm going to add in another video. So let's choose another one. Let's do how I post Instagram and create element. And we're going to take this guy and we're going to move it into the right spot right here. There you go. Your end screen's all set up. And then, of course, you can change when these appear by playing with them down here. But they're all set up and good to go now. So that is your end screen tutorial, and you are good to start rocking these in your own videos, and I'm so excited to see how they positively affect your channel.
Now, if you want to take this and add it onto the rest of our Boss YouTube strategy, you got to check out our masterclass. We have a free 1-hour YouTube training. You can check it out at the link below this video. It's called bossyoutubestrategy.com, and make sure that you register to snag a seat. I'll show you how to 100x your subscribers and double your revenue in the next year using YouTube. Thank you so much to our comment of the week. I appreciate you so much, and thank you so much for the feedback and also for the content ideas as well. They are golden and part of the reason why I made this video today. So thank you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a screenshot and share that out on Instagram and tag me at Lenarduzzi and let me know what you learned today. And I also can't wait to see your end screens. So let me know if you've done it and put the link below in the comments as well. Give it a like if you liked this video and it was helpful for you. Subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.